Guys, so on your demand my morning routine is here. So I generally get up around 7:30 and Nirvi is the alarm clock. Whenever she gets up we get up. So today Nimish is making her milk and he took her out, and now we are just relaxing over here for 5-10 minutes and then we will be out of bed. And these days I'm really loving to not get up at 5:30 or 6 just to prepare lunch and breakfast for Nimish, because he is just working from home and I totally like it. So as soon as I get up, I first of all brush my teeth, and here's Nirvi chilling out here on the floor in front of my washroom. So yeah, this is how we usually get up. We take it little slowly. As soon as I am done brushing my teeth, I make my tea. I really do not feel fully awake without tea in the morning and evening. This is, I don't know what it is, but I need my tea. And here you can see me playing with Nirvi while having tea. Sometimes she do play by herself. Sometimes she watches some educational stuff, or sometimes she just plays with me. So here what we are doing right now, and when I'm done with my tea, I'm gonna go ahead and take shower. Some days I take shower after running and sometimes I take before, depends on how I'm feeling. So I'm done doing my skincare and my hair. I do not like my hairs coming on my face at all, so I am using these products. Like I have talked about this on my one of the skincare video. I'll put the link in the description box. I like your bindi.
Can I open it?
No, it is only for grown-ups, okay? But I like your bindi. So cute. It's a blue bindi? Yeah.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go. Now that I have taken shower early today, I'm gonna quickly go ahead and do the puja, because sometimes it happens I just completely forget, and sometimes we are just running, and it's a lot to do in the morning, and like it happens only in the evening sometimes. So I did that, and now we are getting ready to get outside. And quickly I want to share that I am in love with my Fila shoes. I really like the black and white color, and also the sole. It is super cool, the black, white and little red strip. They are super cool. So I thought we are going out for a walk, but Nirvi decided to go for a scootering, so we both are scootering now. I'm making sure that I'm taking Nirvi out every single day for some kind of activity, so she just feels very fresh and does not ask for a screen time a lot. And we are taking full advantage of spring and summer color. This is, even the camera is not doing the justice. It's in a little bit darker shade than it is showing in the camera. Oh goodness, it is so beautiful.
Hi guys. Welcome to my channel. It's so fun, it's so pretty. So about to be so terrifying great.
For making such a beautiful appearance on my channel. Thank you so much. We had went out for scootering at 9 a.m. Now we are back. It is 10 a.m. I'm having my mango smoothie because Nirvi rejected it. She did not like it at all. So she is having tomato because she was asking for it, and Nimish is having this same smoothie. And I'm gonna quickly finish it and go for a run. As now Nirvi is fully awake and fresh, she is not going to trouble Nimish, and I'll also make her breakfast so that if she's asking for it and I'm gone, he can give her. Okay, so I'm done running. I'm going back home. I did not had much time to run, so I could not force myself to run more, but I think I did good. And I'm running in a spring and every summer from last 3 years, so I really enjoy running these days. So now I'm gonna go home and start making lunch and do a little bit more cleaning that I have to do. So let's go. While I was coming back, I thought I would sneak and see what Nirvi is doing. So here she is. Nimish is in meeting and she is playing over here.
I'm going crossing.
and I got back from my running around 11:20, 11:30, and this is the busiest time of my entire day. So from 11:30 to 1:30, I'm just constantly running around the houses to do the chores and do the cleaning and cooking, and in between I'm entertaining Nirvi, replying to all your comments, and also giving her bath. I'm taking bath, so it is the busiest time of my entire day. And I had got Nimish and Nirvi counting trucks when I was doing all this. So yeah, if you guys are wondering what Nirvi does when I'm doing all these, so I keep her busy in the household chores. Like when I'm cooking, I ask her if she wants to join. I put the rhyme on my phone somewhere so that she can listen. So she listens that and play with all her toys or something. So she just keeps her busy by herself. And in between I had given her baths, so now she was doing painting, which only lasted for 4 to 5 minutes. So again, it's a hard task to do, I mean to entertain your kids inside home. I totally agree with you, but you have got to do what you got to do, you know. It is around 1 p.m. and I'm super hungry because I did not had anything very fulfilling, and I'm just running constantly here and there. So but Nirvi and Nimish, they had something fulfilling. I do not remember exactly what they did had. I had made something like very quick, like oatmeal or something, because I do not clearly remember, because I'm editing this vlog after 2 days. Here I am impatiently waiting for the pressure to come out, and so that I can have my lunch. Today I had made aloo chana with rice, and yeah, so I served Nimish, and I think Nimish fed Nirvi because she was not ready to eat by herself, and I was just completely done for the day. So yeah, that's what I'm doing over here, and in between I'll be replying to your comments when I'm having lunch. After lunch I also watch few videos. So these days I'm watching Marvelous Mrs. Maisel, and yes, this is it guys. I really hope that you enjoyed. If yes, make sure to give this video a like. Do not forget to check me on my Instagram with Gautam Pragya and with the name Gautam Pragya. Write me in the comments section what time you guys get up, and don't forget to subscribe.